how to use eBay shipping calculator. First, you have to find it, but it's easy to find. Just simply search the eBay shipping calculator on your Google and you're going to find it here. So click on this link and it's going to lead you to this. Now, all you need to do is just go ahead and enter the weight, if it's in pounds, ounces, then enter the dimensions as well in inches or whatever dimension the package has. And if it's an irregular package, you can still turn on that it is an irregular package. Just tick the check mark, let them know. And then what country are you shipping from? Then you enter your zip code. What country are you shipping to? So if you're shipping to somewhere like Italy, you can provide the shipping code for Italy, the zip code as well. And once you're done, just go ahead and enter your shipping service. So let's say something that's around 300 pounds or 20 ounces. And let's just put to here. And then just go ahead and enter the zip code for this and enter the zip code for this. And just click on see shipping services and you're going to see it. All right, guys, that's basically how it works. Just click on see shipping service and you get your shipping details and also the shipping service that would be recommended for moving this package from one location to the other. All right, guys.